merging two polygon objects together. The example is I'm going to take and create a sphere and then change the sphere inputs from 20 by 20 to 8 by 8 and then F frame my object, and then I'm going to take the values of the Y translation up to 3.3, and then I'm going to duplicate, Control D, and then change the value of this new object to 1.3 on both the translation and the scale XYZ. Okay, so now with everything set up, I want to select both objects and then choose Mesh, Combine. So now I have a whole new object called Polygon Surface 1 in shaded mode with the 5 key. I can see we're just kind of stuffing our two models together. I want to clean it up by selecting the faces that are crossing each other here and deleting them. Okay, I'm going to get the extra faces out of here as well. Clean that right up. And then what we're going to need to do is attach the edges of these using the Edit Mesh Append to Poly tool. And if I select the edge on the back side, this is not what we want to do. I just want to show the effect of it. You're going to get a flip-flop screwed up polygon. So instead we're going to make sure that we select the edge on the same side, and then I'm going to hit the Y key. If I hit return, I would have to go and click to start over again, but if I hit the Y key, the tool is still active and I can just keep Y, selecting Y to make Y my object solid and clean. And now that I'm done, I'm going to hit the return key so that I've got my shape here. How wonderful is that? Let's make it look a little nicer by adding an edge loop. So it'll be Edit Mesh and then Insert Edge Loop. And then by clicking on one of these lines, I can actually add an edge all the way around my entire object. With it selected, if I hit the R key and scale it down, I can get a nice peanut looking shape. Okay, and then I'm going to change to object mode here. Right clicking, choosing object mode. And then if I hit the 3 key on the keyboard, I'll get a real smooth peanut.